Hello, everyone, welcome to my House Buying Secrets channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the sixth step, which is home buyer survey. Well, you may be thinking, do I really need home survey to buy a house in UK? Is it necessary? Or can I buy a house in United Kingdom without it? Well, in this video I am going to explain about the importance of having a home survey, what are the main types of home survey, and how much money you need to spend for each of survey. Before I explain further, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell button so that you will get a notification of my next video. In the UK, if you're buying a property, there are several common types of home surveys. First one is Level 1 survey, or condition report. This is the most basic survey. It gives an overview of the property's condition. It also highlights urgent defects, but doesn't provide detailed advice or valuations. This usually suitable for newer homes, apparently in good condition. The second one is Level 2 survey, also called home buyer report. This is the most common choice for conventional homes. This includes inspection of visible parts of the property, identifies significant defects, repairs and maintenance issues. It often includes a market valuation and insurance reinstatement cost. This is mainly suitable for most modern houses, flats, and bungalows. Now let's look in the third type of survey, which is Level 3 survey. Sometimes it's called building survey. This is the most comprehensive survey. This provides detailed information about construction, defects, causes of problems, and repair options. This is mainly recommended for older properties, typically over 100 years old, listed buildings, properties that have been heavily altered or extended, buildings in poor condition. Another type of survey is specialist surveys. Sometimes a surveyor may recommend additional inspections, such as damp and timber survey, roof survey, structural engineer's report, electrical inspection, EICR, gas safety inspection, drainage survey. Now let's look into the typical costs in 2026. The cost vary by location and property value, but roughly for Level 1 survey cost around £300 to £600. Level 2 survey cost around £400 to £1,000, and the Level 3 survey around £700, £2,000. For most buyers of a standard house or flat, a Level 2 home buyer survey is often the best balance between cost and detail. If you're buying an older Victorian, Edwardian, or period property, a Level 3 building survey is usually worth considering. If you're buying a property, please comment to me the age of the property, house, flat, bungalow, and approximate price. Whether it's been extended or renovated, then I can tell you which survey is best for you. Now let's look into the advantages of a home survey. A home survey is important because it can reveal problems that are not obvious during a viewing and help you make an informed decision before committing to a purchase. The main key benefits of a home survey includes it identifies hidden defects, structural movement or subsidence, damp and mold, roof problems, timber decay, or woodworm. A survey can help to avoid repairs, which can cost thousands of pounds. Knowing about issues beforehand allows you to budget appropriately or reconsider the purchase. It also provides negotiating power. If the survey finds significant defects, you may be able to negotiate a lower purchase price or ask the seller to address certain issues before completion. A survey can highlight safety concerns, potential risks related to the structure, electrics, or other parts of the property. The surveyor may recommend further specialist inspections where necessary, explains maintenance needs. Even if there are no major defects, a survey can help you to understand what maintenance the property is likely to need in the coming years. It offers reassurance. If the survey finds only minor issues, you can proceed with greater confidence that there are no major visible problems. Many buyers assume the lender's valuation is a survey. It is not actually a survey. A mortgage valuation is primarily for the lender's benefit to assess whether the property provides adequate security for the loan. It may not identify defects or maintenance issues in detail. Is a survey always worth it? The answer is yes. For older properties, Unusual construction, listed buildings or homes that have been altered or extended. A survey can be especially valuable. Even with newer homes, a survey may uncover issues that weren't apparent during viewings. The cost of a survey is usually small compared with the potential cost of discovering a major problem after you've bought the property. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I see you in the next video.